So creators, let's get moving on the filament spool holder, and let's make the center. Go back to our design, which should contain a filament roll now, and then we want to make a new component. Let's just call it filament center, or your choice. That should be activated by default when you create it, and just pick on the side of the roll and click create sketch and do a project of the roll and OK. Then we want to do a center circle, 10 millimeters, and then we want to do an offset of this guy. We want it inside 3 millimeters. That should be -3, and we can do one more offset. You can also hit O on the board. Let's do that 5 outside. Let's do it 6 outside, and then go to stop sketch. We can start extruding this guy just inside the filament spool. Let's do it -6, I think should be fine. And then get back to the sketch, turn it on again, and do another extrude. Pick all the profile except the center hole and do it 2, and should be join and OK. Right click your center, go to appearance, pick some color, drag it on, and turn off the sketch. Just have a look. There's your center, which is good. So that's the center. So this is step 2 in the filament spool holder design. So happy making, happy creating.